Happy birthday, Daddy Ike and kiss. I love you so much, Dad.
Hug. Hug. Two hands. Two hands. Show it to the camera. Smile. Say happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Surprise! May you take care of yourself so you can be healthy. And you're also the best dad I ever had. Please take care of work. Please daily take care of yourself at work. Love you so much, Dad. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Kuya Glenn! Ito pala, cake mo. Yan, saluhin mo dyan, ha? Yan. Happy birthday, Brad. Ingat ka parate. Love you. Wish ko sa'yo, lagi kang mag-iingat, saka lagi kang healthy. Huwag mong pababayaan ang sarili mo. Saka, ingat na sa mga pagkain. Love you. And what?
Wish ko at Tito Glenn,
Cheers, ha? Cheers, Brad.
meron kayong good health dyan and palagi kayo masaya dyan. And ingat palagi.
Ako wala na kami wish Kuya Glenn kasi sinabi na nila dalawa. Happy birthday!
Isa
Happy
pang
birthday.
wish. Sana
Enjoy your day.
uwi kayo dito pag may time kayo. Para makapag-bonding tayong lahat. Yan lang. Basta ingat kayo parati lahat dyan. Happy birthday again. Love you. Heart, Brad. Love you. Huwag kang iiyak, Brad. Love ka namin dito. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Glenn.
Ito na, sineselebrate namin early na birthday mo ba?
Enjoy your birthday.
Yan.
Cake. Happy
Ito kami
birthday.
lumabas. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Kuya Glenn.
Sabi nga, happy birthday. Kanta tayo ng happy birthday siya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Yan.
Kuya Glenn.
Saluhin mo na lang, hagis namin dyan.
Okay na? Tingnan nga natin.
Happy birthday, Glenn.
Hi dito Glenn. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday to Glenn. God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya Glenn!
Happy birthday, Tito Glenn.
Wish you all the best, more birthdays to come, and stay healthy.
Happy
birthday.
Bye-bye.
Hello, Glenn. Happy birthday, kapatid. Ang hirap mag-isip na sasabihin basta tandaan mo lang, lalagi lang si ate niya nandito, nagmamahal sa'yo, solid tayong magkakapatid. In good times or in bad times, solid tayo. Lagi mong alagaan yung sarili mo dahil hindi lang para sa'yo. Alam ko namang mahal na mahal mo yung mga anak mo, yung asawa mo, siyempre yung pamilya mo. Kaya naman, alagaan mong mabuti ang sarili mo para mahabang panahon na maipakita mo sa kanila yung pagmamahal mo. Diba? Yes, kami mga kapatid mo dito sa Pinas, siyempre, nagmamahal sa'yo. Maging si Dayan, kung nasan man si Dayan. Tiyak naman na pare-pareho kami nagmamahal sa'yo. Kaya alagaan mo yung sarili mo dahil marami pa tayong beses na magsasama-sama at magkikita-kita. Gawin mong malusog ang sarili mo. Okay? Yun lang. Wala akong masabing masyado eh. Pero gusto ko lang ipabatid sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka ni ate. Of course! Ako yun. Mahal na mahal kita. Ingat kang mabuti. Happy birthday kapatid. Mwah! Bye!
Birthday, Glenn. Always good health. Ganyan na. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Glenn!
We hope you have more birthdays to come.
And I hope you guys enjoy your day out there. And I hope everyone's doing well out there. So, hi guys, and bye guys.
Surprise! Happy birthday! Hope you have many more years.
50 years of wisdom. Woo!
Surprise!
Surprise!
Happy 50th birthday, Queen Glenn. Congrats on turning 50, and we hope to have you around for another 50 years.
Hi Glenn! Just wanna greet you happy birthday. Praying for all the best, good health, good life, and may God bless you.
Hi Glenn, happy birthday. I can go to sleep without greeting you tonight. So God bless you, your family, and always take care of yourself. Okay, happy birthday.
Bye! Love you!
Love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Glenn!
Happy birthday, Glenn. Maligayang kaarawan. Sana'y sapitin pa ng maraming kaarawan. Okay, enjoy. Happy birthday again.
Happy 50th birthday, Quinn. I hope you enjoy your special day.
Hey, Glenn. Happy 50th birthday, buddy. Welcome to the club. We're glad to celebrate your special day today. And may all your birthday wishes come true. Have an awesome day, buddy.
Hey Glenn, happy birthday, happy 50th birthday. Wow, you reached a milestone. So 50th golden, it's a golden year. And congratulations on reaching this far. We know the challenges you have gone through in life, in health, and in marriage. You have a beautiful wife now with Let, and also with beautiful children. They're growing fast. And I just want to congratulate you for reaching this far in life. And hopefully you have many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Okay, happy 50th birthday.
All right, Glenn. Happy 50th. May you have many more birthdays to come. And we love you. And hope you have more wonderful years ahead of you. Okay? Bye. Thank you.
All right, go ahead and celebrate.
Hi Glenn! Happy 50th birthday! I love you. Hope you have a good birthday, long life, healthy life, and enjoy yourself, enjoying working and retiring in the future with a long, good health. And happy family! Okay, I love you guys. Bye. Love you, Glenn. Happy birthday.
Hi, Glenn. Love you. Just want to wish you a happy 50th birthday. Hey, blessings to you, Let, Sky, and CJ. Just a little piece of scripture. May the Lord continue to bless you and keep you, make his face to shine upon you, lift his countenance upon you, be gracious to you, and give you peace both now and forevermore. God bless you, brother.
Quick Glenn, happy birthday. Love you. Many more years. And from one post office boy to another one, let's get through the holidays and keep working hard. And God bless you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Glenn. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Happy birthday! Enjoy all your food tomorrow. Love you. Bye.